Hello crafties, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I have sort of a tip slash technique video for you guys. As you can see, we'll be knitting. I am working on another one of my knitted foam masks. If you guys follow me on social media, you have seen them. They're small, they're adorable, they're functional. So I was sitting up and I'm like, oh wow, I accidentally over knitted some stitches. Like, I was following my pattern, but I was also trying to think of video ideas, and I just got in with knitting, as we tend to do. So today's tutorial, I want to show you guys how to basically go back, slip these stitches back, and so you can follow your proper pattern. So what you want to do, now this is a white yarn, gray background, I think we're good. I want to zoom in a little bit. And so if you've knitted too many stitches or you've kind of messed up on your knitting rows, what you can do is slip your needle back into the stitch like this. Let's try that again. Like that, making sure you get your yarn and you don't ply it. And you're going to move your working needle out of that loop you just knitted and tug on your yarn. And that gives you your loop back. And as you can see, it's going back on the needle the way it's supposed to, like it looks the same as the other stitches. So I was only supposed to start off and knit 2. So, you know, I was doing a bit much. But that's okay, because we're just going to insert that non-working needle purlwise, so to speak. We're going to slip our stitch off of there and tug on our working yarn. And that's a little tip. You don't have to frog your project. I know as a beginner it could be kind of like, ooh, no, I messed up. So that's just a little quick thing I wanted to show you guys today. No real big deal to it. If you've tugged on your stitches a little too tightly, just be careful that you don't ply your yarn and just kind of wiggle it out of there, and you should be fine. Now I'm back to a point where I can go back to following my pattern. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below letting me know how I did. I'd really appreciate that. Don't forget to check out my other social media. I am on pretty much everything except for Snapchat. I know Reddit tends to be kind of popping these days. That's actually kind of cool. But don't forget to check those out. I'm also over on Etsy as well as Teespring for my merch shop. And until next time, guys, happy making.